Hello YouTube friends, welcome to Ulianka's channel. Halloween is not far away, so today I'm going to show you how I've done this cut sugar skull. This design is simple yet very effective thanks to its bright colors. So let's get started. I'm starting with outlining eyes, taking outer corners a bit higher and inner lower. Then going around my cheekbones areas and rather low forehead to leave space for ears. Then I'm adding simple flower shapes, placing them asymmetrically. I like to use as big brush as I can to save time, so I'm filling in the flowers with a flat brush number 12. I want flowers to be visible, so I'm outlining them again with thicker white line. Now it's time to paint teeth. I painted two thicker teeth at the sides and then tusks as a second one, which I think creates more natural look. Then three smaller pointy pairs on the middle. Next I'm filling in with the yellow color the whole mask. Again I'm using 3/4 inch brush to save time. And you can outline space for nose or just do it straight away over the yellow when you're going to outline with black. In more difficult places to reach, I'm using the corner of my brush. Now I'm filling in the hole for nose and outlining the whole mask as well. I've started to use thick brush, but I decided to switch to a very thin one since I wanted the mask to be more delicate. I'm also outlining around the flowers. Since these are thin already, I'm trying to use only the tip of my brush to make it even thinner. And also I'm going over the lines where teeth are meeting with the mask itself. I also decided to add a bit more feline look to my eyes, so I added lines on the outside and then in the inside as well. In my next step I'm going to shadow everything around the mask, and I'm using regular black eyeshadows. Now it's time to decorate. I'm adding the line going from the nose up and then also a few teardrops and swirls. I'm adding them irregularly around the flowers. I'm also adding some swirls in the place of the ear. If you would like mask to look more 3D, you can go around the edges of the mask and over the teeth. Time to dress up and add some sparkles. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. If this video helped you in any way, please like, share and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. See you next time. Bye!